Install Commerce Data Exchange Async Server. In this demo, we will look into the steps to install Commerce Data Exchange Async Server. Launch Dynamics AX Setup. Click Install Microsoft Dynamics AX Components. Click Next. On the next screen, click Add or Modify Components. Click Next. On the Add or Modify Component screen, select Async Server under Retail Components, Commerce Data Exchange. Click Next to advance to the next screen. Verify that all prerequisites have been met. In case any prerequisites fail, use the download links or configure option to configure the prerequisites wherever applicable. Click Next to advance to the next screen. Now enter the required information. Configure Async Server. For standard installation and configuration, ensure Configure Async Server checkbox is enabled. If one needs to do manual or advanced installation, the Configure Async Server option can be disabled. Application name. This will be an identifier used to identify the Async Server web application. Be sure to enter a unique application name and website name combination. For best results, limit the application name to alphanumeric characters with no spaces. Website name. This will be the website name to which the Async Server web application will be deployed. Please note, each web application within a website needs to have a unique name. Multiple web applications can be added to the same website or create unique websites for each application. Application pool name. This will be used to assign the Async Server web application to an application pool. Username. This will be username under which the specified application pool will run. This needs to be in the domain/username format. Password. This will be the user account password. HTTPS port. This will be the HTTPS port on which you would like the web application to listen for connections. The port specified should not already be bound to a different website. TCP port. This is an optional field. This will be the TCP port to bind Async Server to. TCP protocol for Async Server and Async Client enable high performance data synchronization. AOS Service User. This will be the user account that AOS is running as. SSL certificate thumbprint. This certificate thumbprint of an SSL certificate that is already installed on the computer. We have already created one self-signed certificate in earlier demo, which can be used here. Type iNet Manager on the start screen and open IIS Manager. Click on the server name in the left-hand menu. Double-click on Server Certificates. Double-click on Contoso Retail Certificate. Go to the Details tab and copy the thumbprint. Click Next to advance to the next configuration screen. Fill out the necessary details. Server name. This will be the name of the database server where you will be installing the message database for Async Server. Database name. This will be the name of the message database to create or reuse. Click Next. Verify that all second screen validations pass. Click Next to proceed to the next screen. Confirm the installable component one final time and click Install. This will take a while to complete. After successful installation, you will see the following confirmation screen. As can be seen here, Async server is successfully installed. Click Finish to complete the installation. Once Async server is installed, you must perform a sync metadata operation. Launch AX client. Navigate to Retail module, Setup, Parameters, Retail Scheduler Parameters. Click on Sync Metadata on top navigation bar to synchronize metadata changes with Async server. You will see a confirmation in the info log after the metadata sync is complete, as can be seen here.